Alam mo yung feeling na ang tagal mo nang nag-iipon pero parang hindi gumagalaw yung pera mo? Sweldo day, bayad bills, may konting ipon, tapos pag-check mo sa regular bank, interest earned is 67 cents. Pwede nang pambili sa Jollibee, pambili ng ketchup sa Jollibee. And then you realize, banks are getting rich, but you're not. Yung pera mo, tulog. Pero yung kanila, gising na gising. Pero today, papakita ko sa iyo ang ibang laro. Welcome sa world ng digital banks, kung saan kahit ordinaryong Pinoy, kahit minimum wage, kahit walang credit card, kahit starting from zero, pwedeng maging digital banking. At dito nagsisimula ang kwento mo. In this video, pag-uusapan natin ang digital banks, the secret tips and tricks to boost savings, the system you can follow to grow your money faster. This isn't a hype video. Hindi ito sponsored. This is straight up financial education. You need the right system and the right digital bank strategy. Most Filipinos still save sa BDO, BPI, Metrobank, Land Bank. Pero alam mo ba na ang average savings interest in Philippines traditional banks ay 0.1% to 0.25%? Translation is your 10,000 pesos earns 25 pesos interest per year. Your 100,000 pesos earns 250 pesos interest per year. Meanwhile, inflation averages 5% yearly. So every year, your money slowly dies. Hindi ka talo dahil kulang pera mo. Talo ka kasi mali yung lugar kung saan ka nag-iipon. This is why digital banks exist. Hindi para maging techie pero para kunin ang power from big banks at ibalik sa mga ordinaryong tao. Katulad mo. Digital banks operate online, so they can give high interest and better rewards. And these aren't small differences. They're game-changing. Example, GoTime equals 3%, Union Digital 3%, NetBank 3.25%, Uno 3.5%, Ombank 3.8%, Tonic equals 4 to 4.5%, Maribank 3.25%, Discartec 4.8%, Banco by BPI 5%, CIMB 2.6% to 5.6%, Maya equals 3.5% to 10%. Compare that to 0.10%, parang nagsisave ka sa iba't ibang universe. And here's what most people don't realize. Digital banks are not just savings accounts. They are wealth-building tools. Pero kailangan marunong ka gumamit. Alam mo ba na walang maintaining balance sa digital banks? Kaya literal na pwede ka mag-start from zero. No need to deposit. No need to maintain a balance. At kung mag-deposit ka man, here's a way para libre. First, you can use other digital banks for online deposit dahil may free transfer. Kung cash deposit naman, pwede mong gamitin ang Shopee Pay to cash in for free. Available over-the-counter cash in sa Pay and Go machines in Mercury Drug, Uncle John's, Alphamart, Robinsons, Shopwise, pawn shops, Easy Pay payment centers, SM Bills Payment, cash into Shopee Pay. Tapos from Shopee Pay, transfer to Maribank. Maribank to any bank. Digital banks are also famous sa daily interest crediting, meaning every day nakikita mo ang actual growth. Example, ang bank with 4% rate, savings 100,000 pesos. Daily interest 7 pesos. Monthly 230 pesos. In 1 year, 2,800 pesos. Daily crediting, no missions, no tricks. Super simple. Ito ang kagandahan sa daily crediting. Parang araw-araw kang naglalakad, tapos may napupulot kang barya sa araw-araw. Compounding every day. Psychologically motivating. Mas na-enjoy mo dahil nakikita mong gumagalaw ang pera mo araw-araw. This builds a savings habit faster than any other platform. Here are the banks with daily interest crediting. Maya, NetBank, Ombank, Maribank, Uno. Mataas na ang interest ng digital banks at tuturuan kita paano pa ito ma-boost. Maya base interest is 3.5%. Maya interest tiers depend on spending missions. But here's the trick. You will use your Lazada to boost it to 10% without spending. Mag-cash in ka ng 35,000 piso sa Lazada wallet using Maya. It will boost your missions and increase interest tiered to 10% per annum for 30 days. Tapos pwede mo nang withdraw yung 35,000 piso after mag-notify si Maya na boosted na ang interest. Ginagawa ito ng karamihan quietly every first day of the month. And monthly, kikita ka ng 600 plus for 100,000 deposit. O, di ba? Ilang pindot lang sa phone, may 600 plus ka na monthly. Another way para mas mapalaki ang savings mo ay through time deposit. Time deposit rates sa digital banks ay mas mataas pa kaysa traditional time deposit. Banks require minimum time deposit. The lock-in period is also longer. Not anymore. Digital banks are flipping the script. Here are the time deposit interest rates of digital banks. Time deposits beat regular savings interest because you lock your money in exchange for a much higher rate. Makikita mo mas flexible and shorter ang lock-in period sa digital banks. Parang hindi lock-in, parang pinagbakasyon mo lang sa kapitbahay yung pera mo. If you plan properly, time deposits can multiply your money faster than regular savings. Digital banks give you multiple layers of growth, not just one. Okay, this one is a pro hack. Alam mo ba na with the help of digital banks, pwede mo nang magamit ang Google Pay sa Pinas. GoTime is currently one of the most Google Pay friendly cards in the Philippines. Meaning, pwede mo isync ang GoTime Visa card mo to Google Pay for online and contactless payments. Every time you pay something, patap-tap ka na lang ng phone. No need ng physical card. O, di ba high-tech? And here's what most people don't realize. Every Google Pay transaction using GoTime ay may Go Rewards points ka pa. Even small payments like sa fast food, supermarket, or convenience store. Points accumulate faster because GoTime awards Go Rewards points and Google Pay increases transaction frequency due to convenience. You spend the same amount but earn more rewards. Same sa Maribank card where you can earn 1% cashback.
Wow!
Ito ang isa sa pinaka-underrated yet pinakamalakas na feature, Maya Black Card Express. The fastest way to get a credit card sa Pilipinas. And I'm not exaggerating. A credit card you can get kahit wala kang credit history, kahit paulit-ulit kang rejected, kahit first-timer ka pa lang. Perfect para sa mga freelancers, students, first-time workers, zero credit history, rebuilding credit, online sellers, remittance earners. You can get it by using a security deposit. Yes, parang secured credit card, but digital version. These are the features compared to traditional secured credit card. Goal-based savings. Ito yung hindi ginagawa ng karamihan. Alam mo ba bakit sablay ang savings ng maraming Pinoy? Kasi lahat ng pera nila nakahalo sa isang account. Emergency fund, pang-travel, pambili ng laptop, pambayad ng utang, pang-Christmas. Lahat nakadump sa iisang wallet. And psychologically, kapag magkasama sa isang account lang, madaling kunin. Madaling magastos. Walang boundaries. That's why digital banks introduce something smarter. Goal-based stashes. Separate mini accounts for separate goals. This is where digital banks really shine. Here are the banks with stash. Tonic stashes. Tonic allows you to create stashes and group stashes. Sa Tonic, pwede rin kayo mag-group stash. Invite at least 3 friends or family sa group stash and earn higher than solo stash. Maya Goals. Create multiple goals. Set target date and target amount. Lock it for discipline. GoTime Save and Grow. GoTime also lets you create separate savings categories. Track them individually. Digital banks don't just give high interest. Binabago nila ang behavior mo. Kasi the moment na maayos ang pera mo per goal, dun ka lang talaga magsisimulang umasenso. Digital banks give ordinary Filipinos the tools na dati para lang sa mayayaman. High interest, advanced, credit building, daily compounding, goal systems. Tandaan, you don't need to be rich to start, you just need to start. Today, you begin your journey to becoming a digital bank king. Subscribe ka na for more pera tips and tricks.